Hey, Mom, I'm recording this just for you. Like, no, I don't want this on the bed. Okay, minutes later, he is still going after this darn thing. Yes, it's on the floor. The floor is clean because I vacuumed it. Oh, it's right here. I don't think you can see it though. Been walking around so much today, I actually had a hole in the shop. See, he's going after it still. Why are you going after that? Do you not like that too? You don't like that thing, do you? Okay, I want to show you guys something funny that this little guy, Pharaoh, say hello. Say hello. Close ups. Oh, here. Show you his eyes too. Show them your beautiful eyes. Stop moving. Stop moving. He's sniffing the camera. Okay. So, I was literally over here giving him... No, stay. Would you stop moving, please? Literally giving him a hug. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this. He's pushing it into my hand.